In this video, you will discover the magic of APIs with a delightful restaurant analogy in this short video. This fun and engaging analogy will leave you with a clear understanding of the power and significance of APIs in the digital world. Bon appétit and happy learning! API stands for Application Programming Interface. It is a set of rules and protocols that allows different software applications to communicate and interact with each other. APIs define the methods and data formats that applications can use to request and exchange information, enabling them to work together and access each other's functionalities in a standardized way. Let's use an analogy involving a restaurant to explain the concept of an API. Imagine a restaurant as a service provider, where customers come to enjoy a meal. The customer requests a meal to the waiter. This waiter gives the request to the cook, who then prepares the meal and gives the meal back to the waiter, who brings the requested meal to the customer. In the world of software, an API acts like a waiter at a restaurant and the cook acts like the backend of an application. When a customer, the client, enters the restaurant and wants to order something, or in software terms, requests data, they don't directly communicate with the cook, or in other words, the backend of an application. Instead, they interact with the waiter, the API. The waiter takes the customer's order, client's request, passes it on to the cook, backend, and then delivers the prepared food, data, back to the customer, client. This way, the client doesn't need to worry about the intricacies of how the data is prepared or handled in the kitchen, backend, and can focus on enjoying their meal. Or in software terms, the client enjoys the application's functionality, without the need to know the implementation of the service. Similarly, APIs enable different software applications to interact and exchange information in a standardized way, making it easier for them to work together seamlessly. APIs are at the heart of numerous everyday interactions. Just like the client placing an order in a restaurant, APIs enable your favorite apps and services to request information or perform tasks from other applications. And there you have it, our culinary exploration of APIs. Next time you enjoy a delicious meal or use your favorite app, remember the magical behind-the-scenes work that APIs perform. If you found this analogy helpful, don't forget to savor the moment with a like, and, of course, subscribe for more delectable tech insights. Until we meet again, bon appétit and happy learning!